Hello, my name is Rodolfo from MiningMath. On this video, I'm going to explain step by step how to convert coordinates into indices. Some block models might come with this georeference information describing coordinates, like UTM for example. Therefore, it will need to be converted into indices prior to importation into SimSched. On its current version, SimSched only allows block models with indices. However, it will support other formats on future versions. Let's explain what are indices. It's a non-dimensional dataset that will map the block's central location in a 3D matrix. Their value must be integer, and for the current beta version, the first block must start with 111 index. To exemplify the exact explanation, we are going to use Marvin block model, which also can be found at MiningMath. This CSV file contains all blocks describing coordinates with its units in meters. To convert them into indices, we are going to use this formula with the following terms. Ix is the block index in x dimension. X is the block centroid coordinate in x dimension. OX is the model origin point. And dx is the block dimension in x direction. You have to do the same for I and z directions using the same formula. So let's start with the calculation for x direction. Open a new spreadsheet and copy all the model information about block coordinates. Then type the headers for indices and then start the calculation of the first block. So let's start with the calculation of the first block here on the cell A2, and then start to type the formula equal parentheses, then search for x coordinate, and according to the formula you have plus dx divided by 2, and here you put $, and then the following step you have minus OX, the origin coordinate for x, and $, for rows, just for the rows. Then you close the parentheses, divided by dx, which is the dimension of the block in x direction. Here, $, again, and then it's over. Type enter and you have coordinate, and then you have the index 1 for the first one, right? And here you hide column B and C, and double click, then you have for all rows. And then again you open it, then drag them for I, Y, and IZ. Double click, and there you go. You have all converted for X, Y, and Z direction. Thanks for watching this video. For further information, please access our website or send your question to our support service. The links can be found in the description of this video. Best regards and see you on the next time.